Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Coleman SaluSpa Tahiti Hot Tub. After a long day, there's nothing more relaxing than sinking into warm, bubbling water right in your own backyard. The Coleman SaluSpa Tahiti AirJet provides a soothing massage experience for up to 4 people, while still being quick and easy to set up. Simply attach the pump and watch as it inflates. The AirJet system features 120 jets, which release bubbles from the bottom of the spa to create a warm, bubbling hot tub environment. The Tahiti Spa comes with a reinforced cover that locks in heat while not in use, as well as keeping dust and debris from collecting on the water. Product benefits: integrated water filtration system. Included LEDs light adds ambience to your spa. Power-saving timer allows you to control the temperature of your spa up to 40 days in advance. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.